Open book exams don't mean open copy exams. You can use notes, textbooks, or even online materials, but only if you use them correctly. Examiners want to see your understanding, not just your ability to find and paste someone else's words. In this lecture, you will learn how to paraphrase properly, reference quickly, even under time pressure, and avoid plagiarism without sounding like a robot or getting flagged by software. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to paraphrase content in your own words without losing meaning. Reference materials in a way that's fast, clear, and exam appropriate. Understand what counts as plagiarism, even in open book exams. What counts as plagiarism in open book exams? Just because you're allowed to use resources doesn't mean you can copy them word for word. You still need to show it's not your original idea. Explain it in your own words. Credit the source. Even if your teacher says no formal citations required, copying full sentences or paragraphs without acknowledgement can still be flagged or penalized. If it's not your idea or phrasing, say so and explain it your way. Paraphrasing without sounding like a robot. Good paraphrasing means rewriting the idea, not just changing a few words. The goal is to show you understand the point, not just reword it. Example, original text. Time management is a critical skill for academic success. Weak paraphrase. Time control is a very important ability for doing well in school. It sounds robotic. Strong paraphrase. Managing your time well plays a big role in helping students perform better. Quick paraphrasing. Tips. Read the idea, close the book or tab, say it aloud in your way. Focus on meaning, not synonyms. Imagine explaining it to a friend who's never read the source. Fast referencing strategies. If full citations, APA, MLA aren't required, use a short reference style. As explained by Khan Academy, according to the WHO website, in an article from Harvard Business Review, if you do need formal citations, prepare a mini cheat sheet before the exam. Author name, year, title, page, or URL if needed. Copying from that into your answer saves time and shows you're playing by the rules. When in doubt, acknowledge the source. Let's say you read a definition and forget who wrote it, but you want to use the idea. Do this. One study suggests that students learn better when they teach others. Research has shown that sleep affects memory retention. Even general credit is better than pretending it's your insight. Don't let referencing break your flow. Keep your writing natural. Drop the reference casually into your point. Don't stop to announce it. Now I will reference a scholar named Smith. As Smith noted, students tend to focus better in quiet environments. The second one is smoother and sounds like you know what you're talking about. Using resources is a smart move, but using them ethically is what earns marks. The goal isn't to stuff your answer with quotes. It's to show that you've read, understood, and can explain the ideas in your voice. Paraphrase like a human, reference like a pro, and avoid copy-paste traps. You'll sound smarter, more confident, and you'll protect yourself from unintentional plagiarism.